Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony SA-WS350 or WSD35 soundbar with subwoofer, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. There's two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this soundbar is not connecting to Wi-Fi or it's not syncing or pairing with your Bluetooth devices, or if you're having any kind of connectivity issues where it's not working, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. You will need to set it up again because everything will be wiped off of it. And this is the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to set this soundbar up on a new TV or just in a new situation on new devices, we can go ahead and just reinitialize everything so it's just like it was when we took it out of the box. All we need to do is, with our soundbar turned on, we're going to find the power button and the volume down button and press and hold them simultaneously for 5 seconds. You'll see after 5 seconds there'll be a little lighting sequence that goes on, at which point you can go ahead and turn your speaker off, unplug it, wait a couple seconds, plug it back in, turn it back on, and set it up as a new device.